Hello. We are from Carambolim, St. John the Baptist Church. Sylvester Borges here is our in charge of our choir, and these ladies are part of our choir, church choir rather. Today being Santa Cecilia's Day, it is an honor for us to be a part of this choir, and the beauty is that we have been given this day by choice. Choice not from him but from the management of Novena, or rather the exposition committee and all that stuff. Anyway, so my few words are to say that I thank the Lord that we have been given this opportunity, because there are many other groups that could take part in it. Thank you very much.